Welcome. Are you looking to make your Telegram experience on PC even more organized? With the latest update, Telegram now lets you view your folders right at the top of the app, making it easier than ever to keep your chats sorted and accessible. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get your folders showing at the top in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. You'll see your list of chats on the left side. But to unlock the new Folders on Top feature, we need to make a quick adjustment. Next, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Edits. Click on it. This will open up the customization settings for your Telegram interface, where you can tweak how your chats and folders are displayed. Now, in the Edits menu, look for the option called Tabs on the top. This is the new feature that lets you move your folders from the side panel to the very top of the app window. Click on Tabs on the top to activate it. Once you've enabled this option, you'll notice an immediate change. Your folders will now appear as tabs across the top of your Telegram window. This makes switching between different folders, like Work, Friends, or Saved Messages, much faster and more intuitive. No more scrolling through a long list or hunting for your favorite chats. Everything is neatly organized and accessible with a single click. If you ever want to adjust which folders appear, or how they're organized, just return to the Edits menu and make your changes. Telegram's flexibility means you can set things up exactly the way you like. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've upgraded your Telegram experience and made your workflow smoother. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for making the most of Telegram's latest features. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized chat folders.